right here like I'm taking your picture, Twiggy.
Okay.
I'm casing the joint behind you. Just stand still.
Dime, ¿qué tienen por fiestas patrias?
Un equipo.
Ok.
Un equipo con cero inicial.
Ajá.
Un equipo con cero inicial y para tu familia todo ilimitado.
Un equipo.
Looks like you got some of my balls.
What comes in my yard stays in my yard.
Aw, come on. Be a sport and just give them back.
I said no.
Okay. I guess you just don't have it in you.
Have what in me?
You can't blow hard